Ford Escape 2012. They give me this code P1299 to cylinder heat over temperature. So how we can fix this problem? Hello guys, how are you today? Ford Escape 2012. They give me this code P1299 to cylinder heat over temperature. So how we can fix this problem? Stay with me, I will show you. See, the temperature rise until high. See, so now I will show you step by step how we fix this issue from this car. So now what we need to do first, we need to remove this turbulate, because I need to remove this one. This bolt, I believe it's 15 mm. So then I will remove this one, and I'll show you step by step. Then this one, the sensor is located somewhere there. I will remove turbulate, and so now what I will do, I will remove all these clips one by one. Okay. So now this cap will remove. This cap is being removed. So now what I will do, I should remove this cap. Also it's easy. It's one this side and another one in other side. So this one also will be removed. So now should be removed. Yeah, do this part also I remove. So now what should I need to do? What to see? First I need to open this one. See this section, and this one will it. That's probably. So I should remove this one. Then I will see sensor. It's somewhere here, so stay with me. I remove this pipe, then this section. After that, so now I have space to remove the sensor. So now I will show you what is the sensor. You see the this one. This is a sensor. So the sensor we should remove and replace it by a new one. Okay, so now I will open and replace it. So guys, this is a new sensor I bought. So now I will put this sensor into the car, and I hope car will be done. If you see here, temperature now it's stable. Car working stable, nothing wrong. So now what I will do, I return join this one. So now what I will do, I will again return all the part that I removed. So now my car is ready, nothing wrong with it.